In this video, I'm going to show you how to wear multiple accessories in Roblox. So to go and equip more than one accessory, first just head over to the Roblox website, click on the navigation bar in the top left hand side, and then click on Avatar. Now go and scroll over accessories and select the body part that you want to equip multiple accessories for. So let's say that I wanted to equip multiple necklaces. I'm going to select neck. Now what you need to do is find out the asset ID for each of the items that you want to go and equip. Now this is really easy to do. You just need to right click on the item that you want to equip, click on open link in new tab, and you need to do the same for all of the different items that you want to go and equip. So I'm going to do these two different necklaces here, and then once you've done that, you can click on advanced. Now, if you already have any numbers inside of here, then just go and delete them so we're starting fresh. And now what we need to do is paste in the asset ID numbers of all of the different items that we want to go and equip. So I'm going to click on this new tab that I just opened, and you'll see in the address bar at the top, we have these series of numbers. Now, this is the asset ID number. So we can just come and select this like so. Then I'm going to right click and press copy. Then I'm going to head back over to my avatar and paste in that asset ID number. I'm also going to do the same for this necklace as well. Come over to the top and copy this number, and then I can come back to my avatar and go paste in this number. So you can add up to 10 different asset ID numbers here, which means you can equip 10 accessories all at one time. So I'm just going to go ahead and press save. It will ask you if you want to override your current look. Click on save, and as you can see, we're now wearing both of these two necklaces. Now, one thing to note, if you ever do decide to change your look and you go and click on one of the necklaces, well, this is going to override all of these settings, and you will need to come back to the advanced tab and go and re-enter all of the asset ID numbers. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.